Hello wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Blessing Ajibo. In case if you are new to this channel, in today's video we are going to trade TDI indicators and the moving average alligator on our main chart. So guys, I am going to show you the settings of this. Many of you knows it. This strategy is mainly for the beginners. So guys, we are going to trade M pattern and W pattern using our TDI indicator. Our moving average in the main chart indicates the trend of the market. So what are we looking after? We are looking after the crossover in the main chart and the M pattern to take our candlestick here. Our M pattern here is a very good example because what we are seeing here on our main chart, the crossover have met. So now we are looking at this M pattern here. That is here. We are going to enter our trade here. That is where we are going to enter our trade, and we will take 10 candlestick. We are out of the market. 10 candlestick. We are out of the market. So guys, let's check one more. Yes, here is another beautiful strategy, another beautiful place to take position on this. Boom. So what are we looking at? We are looking at this. We are looking at this is above the upper Bollinger Band, so we are looking for it to go up and start coming down. Guys. That is what we are looking at. So our trade, we are going to take it from here. We'll take our 10 candlestick and we'll leave the market. Let's check our crash 1000. Let's check crash 1000, guys. Let's look at crash 1000. Yes, crash 1000. So what we are looking at here now is the W pattern. The W pattern and the crossover in the main chart. Here is another good one, guys. Watch here now. The main charts have met. Here also we are qualified to take our trade here. Our 10 candle is short for here. But guys, before you trade this strategy, first of all, use your demo account. Practice it first before you use it to your real account, guys. So let's check if we will see another one. Yes, here is another good opportunity. Here is another good opportunity, guys. You take your 10 candlestick and you leave the market. Your 10 candlestick, you leave the market. So guys, if you know you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I want to show you guys the indicator used for this strategy. Here is the indicator. The fractal, I am using the fractal to know where to enter my trade. So it's in default chart. You click your done. So the next indicator on our main chart is alligator. Alligator shows us the trend of the market. We use it for the trend of the market. Method smoothed, apply to medium price. Then the style is any color of your choice. Any color of your choice. You click done, guys. The next on our main chart is moving average 200 exponential close. Then the style, any color of your choice. You click done. Let's go to our window 1 indicators. Here is our TDI indicator. Guys, we put our relative strength index 14 close. The color should be the background of your color. Then what we need most here is the level 50, 32 and 68 to know where we'll enter our trade, guys. Then you click done. The next is moving average. The next is moving average 2. Shift 0 method, simple, apply to first indicator data. Then style, you make any color of your choice. you click done. So our next indicator here is Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band, our period 34, deviation 1.6, shift 1 apply to first indicator data. Then you choose any style of your choice, you click done. The next is moving average. Is moving average 7, shift 0, method simple, first indicator apply to any color of your choice, then you click done. The next one is moving average 34, shift 0, simple, first indicator data, any color of your choice, guys, you click done. So this is the end of our video, guys. Please, if you are new, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video, guys, so that on my next video, and click the notification bell. On my next video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you to my subscribers. Thank you for coming back to watch my video. Please, if you are new, try to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and watch out for the next